Adult supervision required when recreating this activity.
Hey guys, welcome back to Matt Made Meals. This is your chef, Manny Filet, and my assistant, Fresh Joe. Today's activity will be pizza zucchini bites.
Pizza zucchini bites?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
That's what I said. Pizza zucchini bites. We're gonna need mini pepperonis here. If you don't have mini pepperonis, that's fine. You could use regular pepperonis. Just slice them in half.
You know what I work really well too? That you can actually use like turkey slices or ham slices too and cut them up in little squares, and you can drizzle it on top as well.
Good point. But for today's activity, we'll use pepperoni. You're also gonna need some salt and pepper for seasoning, some shredded mozzarella, the one that we got from the supermarket like last time, and then some marinara sauce. All right, and then some Parmesan cheese.
Sounds good.
All right, we'll get started with our activity. Now, a zucchini, of course we're gonna need a zucchini, right? Okay. Any zucchini will work. What we wanna do is first, ask permission from our parents, right?
Correct.
Correct. And then you're just gonna cut the top off.
Wait, do we cut it like this?
No, sir. No,
Oh,
sir.
no?
You lay the zucchini on your cutting board.
All right.
You just wanna cut the top off. Very well, very good. And then you're gonna wanna cut quarter-inch slices that will act as our
You think this
pizza
big is good?
dough. Yeah, looks good to me. Maybe a little thinner,
A
but
little thinner? All right.
you're doing good so far, Mr. Fresh Joe. Quarter inches, we're cutting away. And as we continue to cut our zucchini, you definitely want to go ahead and go to your oven and preheat it at 375. And I just did that right now. I have about a dozen zucchini bites here ready to go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some olive oil and I'm gonna lightly drizzle some onto my pan here. Now that we've greased up our pans, we're gonna prep our zucchini bites. So go ahead and spread them out on your cutting board here. So now that we have our zucchini spread on our board here, you want to season it a little with some salt.
Can you salt mine too?
Yes, sir. Yes, I sure can. There you go. Some salt for you, sir. And then we're going to go ahead and add some pepper. There you go. And then from the cutting board to our pan, we're going to go ahead and add our zucchini. Now we get to add our ingredients. Our first ingredient will be marinara sauce. So here we split up a cup of marinara sauce. He has a half cup, I have a half cup here. And I'm gonna grab a spoon, and with a spoon, you just go ahead and pour some on top of each zucchini bite. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want, depending on how you like it.
I like a lot of marinara sauce on
I
mine.
think we all do. So as soon as you just dab some on each one, we'll go back. We'll go back and spread it a little. Now we need some mozzarella, so we'll go ahead and just sprinkle our mozzarella onto our zucchini. Since I'm sharing here with Mr. Fresh Joe, I'll make sure to leave him some. Maybe. And then here with the Parmesan, I'm going to spread it on top as well. Alright. Because we have all of our ingredients in the pan, you can just toss it. Now here I have our mini pepperonis again. I'll go ahead and put some on my cutting board so I can hand the bag to my friend Fresh Joe there. And I'm going to arrange these pepperonis in circular area. Remember, we already preheated our oven, so we're gonna go ahead and move and take our trays over to the oven.
All right, guys, now that we have everything set up and our oven has been preheated to 375 and we gave it a good time to warm up, let's put this in, all right? So make sure you guys have parent permission, also some gloves, some mittens that you can use because it will get hot, all right? Looks good. Be very careful. Place it in. Boom. All right, now let's get this guy some time and we'll come back in a short minute.
Okay, I think we've allowed enough time for our pizza bites to cook. Fresh Joe is gonna go ahead and pull his tray out of the oven. He's gonna use caution with his mitts. Let me smell that. Delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spatula, and Fresh Joe's gonna grab a fork. We're gonna plate our pizza bites. Both of our zucchini bites look nice and melted. Be careful when serving, they are gonna be hot. All right, that's gonna do it for us today. Thanks you guys so much for stopping by the Matt Made Meals kitchen. Remember, this is a great activity for you guys to do together with your family. If you took any photos or videos of this activity, please send it our way at map@cityofmontclair.org. That's map@cityofmontclair.org. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.